Okay, we will solve this one. Find the common difference of arithmetic sequence. So, the example natin, 1, 3, 5, and 7. So, ang gagawin natin dito, i-subtract natin yung second term sa first term. Subtract natin yung third term sa second term. At saka yung fourth term sa third term. Okay, so, yung second term natin is, dito na lang ha, 3. Tapos minus natin sa first term, 1. So, that's equal to 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, another one, si third term na 5, subtract natin yan sa second term. Okay, so, equals 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. And 7, yung fourth term, subtract natin kay third term. So, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So, therefore, okay, yung common difference is equal to 2. So, this is your final. One, find the common difference of arithmetic sequence. So, the first term is negative 3, second term is negative 6, negative 9, and negative 12. Dot, dot, dot. Ibig sabihin ng dot, 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 to be continued. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin dito, isubtract natin yung second term sa first term. Okay? Then, yung third term, isubtract din natin kay second term. And the fourth term, isubtract din natin kay third term. Okay, so dito tayo mag-start. So, negative 6, isubtract natin yan kay first term na negative 3. Okay? Okay, since subtraction tayo, so, i-apply natin yung rules of subtraction of integers na kapag mag-subtract tayo, we have to change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. Okay, so ito yung minuend, ito yung subtrahend. So, ito yung i-change natin. So, una, kopyahin muna natin yung negative 6. Then, from negative 3, we have to change this one into positive 3. So, wala na siyang sign. Kasi kapag walang sign, ibig sabihin yan, positive. Then, we will proceed to addition. So, magiging plus na yan. Okay, so, since plus na yan, or we have to apply the addition of integers, unlike sign. Bakit siya unlike sign? Kasi hindi sila pareho ng sign. Okay, so kapag hindi sila pareho, we have to copy the sign of the bigger number, then subtract. Okay, so from, i-subtract natin to negative 6 plus 3. So, ang bigger number natin dito is 6. Ito yung, ano yung sign ng 6? Yun ang kopyahin natin. We have to copy the sign of the bigger number. So, therefore, yung sign natin dito is negative. So, i-subtract natin yan. So, 6 minus 3 is 3 or negative 3. Or negative 6 plus positive 3 is equal to negative 3. Okay? Another one, si third term na naman, dito tayo sa baba konti, negative 9. Subtract natin yan kay second term na negative 6. Okay? So, kopyahin natin yan si negative 9. Kuha pa ba? Okay? And then, you have to change this one from negative 6 magiging positive 6. Wala na sang sign. So, then proceed to addition. So, equals negative 9 plus 6. That is equal to negative 3. Okay, we have to copy the sign of the bigger number and subtract. So, another one, si negative 12. Okay, subtract natin yan kay negative 9. Then, kopyahin natin si negative 12. We have to change this one into positive. Positive 9, parang Gia. Okay? Then proceed to addition. Magiging add na yan. So, equals negative 12 plus 9, that is negative 3. So, yung common difference natin dito, so therefore, yung common difference, kita pa, is negative 3. Ay, dito na lang. Is negative 3. Dito siya makuha eh. Okay, so this is your final answer. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.